Let's go. Woo. Break time. Hey, don't want to shut up. Rude. We've arrived.
What's the run time?
It took like 12 hours, but it's okay.
What's the
And I want to get Mickey ears and a sweatshirt in my bed. Because what girl doesn't have Mickey ears?
pill container and
What?
take your pills with dinner?
Jesus, ew. Okay. Come on.
Suck at that. Aw, don't mind me. I'm just slowly walking away. Wow, I suck at that really bad.
You know what else you suck at? Life! Ah!
Okay, how can I possibly... Alright,
What?
I'm gonna take you guys on a little
No,
tour
after do it.
of the place. So, that's the front door. I know, really interesting stuff. Alright, so here's the entrance. Basically, kitchen. And you walk here. What was that?
Jeez.
Bathroom. Wow, that was not the correct light. There we go. So, this is the hole that pee and poop goes into, also known as a toilet, sink, and okay. And who is this guy? Oh man. So you're like watching me. That's kind of creepy. All right, now go down here, and I keep turning on the wrong light. And there is there only one? There must. You probably turn on the.
We're sleeping together, guys. Ready?
Well, it's two different beds.
Got you. Got him.
But I guess that lamp turns off separately. Why are you following me?
Because I was gonna do something epic, and then you like.
All right, here's the view.
Oh my god!
Kind of like nighttime right now.
Oh, I can poop.
Can you not? Thanks. All right, and then you come back out. So that was the bathroom, kitchen and stuff, TV. We actually, for the first time, have our like own TV in our bathroom. And then, okay, I was like, that definitely should have worked.
You
And
just
then
snap and then it.
mom's bedroom and bathroom, where all of the action is, was basically the same as ours. So yeah. What the crap? We should have like a sword fight. I would destroy you. Hold on. Is there another one?
No, it's
Is there?
not bad.
Is there one?
It was just like that.
Oh, is there one on ours? Hold up.
So it's interesting.
Oh, you closed
Oh, it
the
smells
door.
like eggs in
That's
there.
awkward. Why?
It's like
Oh God. So yeah, guys, we made it here finally, and so we're going to Disneyland tomorrow, and it's gonna be awesome.
I can't.
Woo! She died. All right,
to edit
so
that.
I'm gonna edit what? All right, there we go. Wait, can I lock you in?
To edit it to make them think I died.
I wish. All right.
And then I'll reappear tomorrow. When I'm
What is this?
Ooh, lock me in here.
I will gladly do that. How do you turn the light
Hey,
off?
Iron Board.
Haha,
You
there
single
the
tomorrow?
the light's off in there now.
Hey, you single? Yeah, me too. Ah! You do it fast.
Yeah, never mind. That was
Did you
kind of
see that?
odd. What?
Oh, okay, good.
See what?
I did this. It's like, and then we're over, so I just gotta.
Okay. All right. So I guess there is actually there's a pool on the ground floor, but there's also a pool and a spa, or maybe it's just a spa on the roof, and you can actually see the Disneyland fireworks from here because it's literally like right down the street. So we're probably gonna go check that out. Starts at 8:40. It's like 7 right now, but Carissa and Mom just went to check it out, see what it looks like. So I brought my laptop, OBS, and should probably turn that lamp on for better lighting, but it's all good. So I'm gonna start editing today's vlog, just because there's a lot of like clips of us in the car, and I want to set it to music and just put it in a certain order and stuff. Just get a head start on editing that. And yeah, tomorrow's vlog should also, and Sundays, should be pretty long as well. They told us that Splash Mountain was closed. It's been closed for like 2 weeks, but then she looked and she said it opened again like yesterday or something, so I was like super happy because that's like one of my favorite ones, honestly. And yeah, Chris has never been there before, so it kind of suck if like one of my favorite rides wasn't open, but yeah, so I am just, you know, we actually have our own TV in our room, so I think it's some NBA game. I don't even know. I don't really follow it that much unless it's the Kings. Go Sacramento, even though we suck, but it's all good. So I'm gonna start editing this. All right.
Going up.
Going up. Check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna wear my shirt. There's like no one down here, so the fireworks just ended. And we're gonna hang out. All right, this is gonna probably be really hot. Oh, actually, you kind of, I mean, you just have to get used to it, I guess.
I still wear my shirt. I don't know.
Oh gosh, it like stings. All right. All right, so this is going to end the first day. Not even really a full day. Most of it was driving, but yeah, we just got back from the spa, and so I'm gonna go ahead and finish editing this vlog and then put it up for you guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow, where we go to Disneyland. It's gonna be awesome. So if you did enjoy, go ahead and leave a like. And as always, remember to be yourself and be positive. And I will see you guys later. Peace. It is like raining like a ball ton. I don't know how much exactly that is, but you can just imagine, or don't, you know. So maybe you can or couldn't see that, but it's really windy too, and you can like see the rain like coming at an angle, and like when it lands on the, I keep wanting to say overpass, but that's not what it's called. Overhang? I don't know. You can just see like that happening. Yeah, I'm really good at describing things, I know.